Hello and welcome back to my channel Fly High with Priya. I am here with 7 more idioms which you can use in your daily life and can improve English. And in addition to this, idioms are frequently asked in various exams. So if you know different idioms, you will be able to score good marks. So let's get started with our idioms. And the first and foremost idiom is a hot potato. Now, a hot potato means, this idiom means a complicated matter. Now, if there is a complicated matter, then you can use this idiom, a hot potato. For example, I don't want complications in my life. I want a simple life. So, I don't want to be involved in a complicated matter. So, you can say this: I don't want complications in my life. I don't want to be there in a hot potato. This issue is a very complicated matter. So this issue is a hot potato. So this was the idiom. Now moving on to our second idiom, and the second idiom is to rise like a phoenix. Now what is a phoenix? Phoenix is a mythical bird जो ग्रीक लिटरेचर में बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज की जाती है. एंड इट इज़ बिलीव्ड दैट व्हेन दिस बर्ड डाइज, सो उसकी वो जल जाती है एंड जो उसकी एशेज होती हैं, राख होती है, उसी से वो बर्ड जो है, एक नई बर्ड जो है वो पैदा होती है, मतलब जन्म लेती है. सो दिस वेरी इडियम मीन्स कि टू राइज फ्रॉम अ वेरी लो पोजिशन to achieve high things in life. To rise like a phoenix मतलब अगर हम हिंदी में इसको बोलें, इसका अर्थ अगर हम बताएं तो वो होगा फर्श से अर्श तक. Now for example, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi used to sell tea at his teenage, you can say at his young age, and he has risen like a phoenix. Now he is the Prime Minister of India. He is governing 7th largest state or nation in the world. And you can use this idiom for many different celebrities, like many actors, different actors, different cricketers, politicians who have risen from a very low place and have achieved high positions in life. Now moving on to our third idiom, and the third idiom is to worship the rising sun. This idiom means to salute someone's progress. For example, if I am doing well in my career, what I will say: people are worshipping me because I am a rising sun. I am the rising sun. Raghu is being worshipped because he is the rising sun. I am the rising sun, that's why I am being worshipped. So इसको कैसे भी आप मोल्ड करके you can use this idiom. Now the third idiom is green horns. Green horns. Now किसी के green horns तो obviously नहीं होते हैं, but this idiom means immaturity, जिसको बहुत ही जो नेव है किसी भी काम में. Now if I don't know stitching, so what would I say? I would say I am very naive in stitching. Yeah, I am a greenhorn when it comes to stitching. अगर किसी और की बात करें तो रघु is greenhorn in the matters of engineering या in the matters of machines. Now moving on to our fifth idiom, and the fifth idiom is a lion's share. A lion's share, अगर इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेट करें तो मतलब एक शेर का हिस्सा. And this idiom means the maximum part. So if we want to signify that he has taken the maximum part, या someone has kept a maximum part, so we can use this idiom. Now as Rohan is the eldest child, he has kept a lion's share with him. बिकॉज जो पावरफुल होगा वही मैक्सिमम पार्ट रखेगा ना. सो यही है कि लायन जो है वो पावरफुल होता है, सो ही विल कीप the maximum share with him, maximum part with him only. So to signify this maximum part, we can use this idiom, a lion's share. Now moving on to our next idiom, and our next idiom is on the cards. This idiom means certain. Whatever is certain, there you can use this idiom, on the cards. For example, it is on the cards that I will get the government job. It is certain की जगह मैंने यहाँ पे use किया है on the cards. It is on the cards that he will be married to a rich person, rich girl. It is on the cards that I'll become slim. So in this way you can use this very idiom. Now moving on to our last idiom, and the last idiom is, last idiom जो है वो बहुत ही simple है, and I hope that you all know the meaning of this idiom. To keep someone in dark means to hide the truth, to hide something. So for example, my friend kept me in the dark. She didn't tell me what is happening in her life. She didn't tell me the truth. So these were the 7 idioms, and I hope these idioms are very much clear to you. Thank you for watching the video. Please keep supporting me, keep sharing the videos, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.